To enable always on display in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter the lock screen and AOD, and after that we can find always on display. Now you can activate this option, and then there's some of the customization below. In this case, I have custom AOD from the themes. If you're interested on how to get your own custom even personally customized AOD, you can check the playlist for this phone on my channel and then look for always on display keywords. And now when we have it, we can show our lock screen wallpaper if we want on it. We can also erase the background if there's prominent object on your lock screen wallpaper. We can also use navbar. I've also made dedicated video for navbar, so you can watch it. And then you can change the behavior when always on display should show up. You can tap to show, which means you will just need to tap when your phone is locked to wake it up. Auto, which will automatically toggle on based on your behavior with the phone. So if you move it around and etc., it will show up. You can put it on always, which will make it always visible if you lock your device. You can put it on schedule, where it will work only in the certain hours and only for new notifications as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.